Hey, I'm Guido Gagootz, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootz. With me, I got my cousin's cousin, Lina, Desperza, and today, we're gonna show you how to dance.
Thanks, Gigi. Okay, so the first thing you wanna do is put your hand on the small of my back.
The small of your what?
My back?
The what of your back?
The small.
No, I don't think so.
Why not?
Because of climate change?
Climate change?
Yeah, the social climate's changing. I feel I gotta be extra careful of what smalls or whose backs I put my hands on is all.
What?
I don't want to misread the situation.
Misread the situation. I'm telling you you can do it. I'm giving you my consent.
Well, I didn't ask for your consent.
Well, I'm consenting anyway.
Well, I'm not consenting your consent.
You can't not consent my consent. Consent just means permission, Gigi.
Well, you give me permission without me asking. Makes me feel like I've got to do it.
Well, don't you want to do it?
Just because I want it doesn't mean I gotta.
That's surprisingly progressive of you. What the fuck are you doing, Gigi?
I'm sorry.
Oh my God,
misread the situation.
Oh my
Obviously,
God.
I just, climate change. It's a fine line. Hey, I'm Guido Gagootz, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootz. Today I got my brother-in-law John Castellotieri with me, and we're gonna show you how to make a martini.
Thanks, Gigi. So the first thing we gotta do is choose the base alcohol, either vodka or gin. What'll it be?
You're the expert. I defer to you, Johnny boy.
All right, let's use gin.
Despite the fact that maybe your guest prefers something else.
So you wanna use vodka then?
No, I don't like vodka.
So gin is fine.
I don't like gin either.
Gigi, it's a martini. It's either vodka or gin.
It's not about the vodka or gin, John. It's about the deferment.
The deferment?
You asked me what I want. I said I defer to you, and then you don't have the decency to defer back?
Why would I defer back?
I'm a guest in your home. If your guest defers, you defer back. You have to double defer.
But you don't care which one we use.
No.
So why would I double defer?
It's part of the delicate dance we do for the sake of the social construct.
What social construct?
The one determined by deferment.
Do you want to make this video or not?
I defer to you. Anytime now. Dance with me, John.
I defer back to you.
You know what? I don't like martinis. So.
Oh, well, isn't that fucking perfect?
There you go. Hey, I'm Guido Gagootz, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootz. I'm here with my fellow influencer, Sheila Schultz, and we're going to show you how to podcast.
So, one of the most important parts of podcasting is introducing your guest. He's a former general contractor. It's Guido Gagootz.
Wait. No. You're my guest.
How am I your guest?
Well, we're doing my show. You see the cameras, right?
No, we're doing my show. Don't you see the microphone? We're in my studio.
Doing my show. Think of it this way. I'm hosting a party at your house.
Then I'm hosting you.
But I'm hosting the party, and you're a guest at that party.
Then I'm the host of the host.
No, you're a guest of the host of the host.
Which is me. It's my house.
Well, who owns the house?
Technically, my husband owns the house.
Does he even know about the party?
About the hypothetical party, Guido, no.
Can I speak to your husband?
He's not home.
There's no confusion then. I'm the host of the party, you're a guest at the party, we're all guests of the house, and the house host's not home, so I'm the host of all hosts.
Whatever.
Can we get started then?
Please be my guest.
Thank you. Hey everybody, I'm Guido Gagootz, and you're watching How to Do Son of a Bitch. Hey, I'm Guido Gagootz, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootz. Me with my godson, Matty Bevelatte, and we're going to show you how to use Google Maps.
Thanks, Uncle Gigi. So, Google Maps is an app that helps you get to your desired destination.
Yeah, like let's say your boyfriend's house.
Boyfriend, we actually broke up.
You broke up with Dylan? The lineman from Rutgers?
Yeah.
But he was all state. I mean, he led the Big Ten in sacks, for Christ's sakes. What happened?
He caught me fooling around with his sister.
His sister? I thought you were gay.
Not gay, bi.
Bi? Where you going? We just got here.
No, Uncle Gigi, I'm bisexual. It means I go both ways.
You can't go both ways.
Why can't I go both ways?
Because when you come to the intersection, you gotta make a choice. You gotta go one way or the other.
But either way, I get to my desired destination.
Sounds you don't know if you're coming or going.
No, that's the thing. I always end up coming. Then I usually go. Sometimes I'll stay.
Jesus Christ, you're all over the fucking map, Matty. I mean, what if everyone went both ways? Then what?
What?
Well, think of the fucking traffic.
That's why I use Google Maps.
Oh, you think you're funny? Take me home. And don't take the turnpike. It's after 5 and it's full of assholes.
But in the tunnel, they drive like pussies.
Well, looks like one way or another, we're getting fucked. Hey, I'm Guido Gagootz, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootz. I'm in bed with my niece's dance instructor, Denise, Capallati, and I'm gonna teach you how to stop snoring, which is a big fucking problem.
What the fuck, Gigi?
Denise, go back to bed.
Why are there cameras in here, Gigi?
I'm doing a video on how to stop snoring.
Get the fuck out of my bedroom!
No, don't move, stay right there. Don't move, stay right there. Denise, we're doing the video.
Are you fucking insane, Gigi? What if your wife sees this?
My wife? She doesn't know how to use a computer. She's superstitious when it comes to technology.
You know what? I don't even understand why you're making these videos. You don't even got any followers.
It's not about the followers. It's about a bigger content strategy. Can we focus on the issue at hand? I can't sleep because you snore.
And I can't sleep because you're always leaving breadcrumbs in the bed.
What?
You fucking chicken cutlets?
How many times do I gotta tell you? They're veal.
Get him out of here!
Oh, what are you nuts? My wife made those. What if she watches this? Turn that camera off. Turn that fucking camera off. Hey, I'm Guido Gagootz, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootz. Today I'm going to show you how to unclog a kitchen sink with the help of my good friend and Puerto Rican pal, Ronny Rivera, who is a licensed plumber.
Actually, Gigi, I'm not licensed.
What?
I went to school to be an electrician, but I'm transitioning into plumbing.
You mean transitioning into plumbing?
Yes.
So you're not a plumber?
No, I'm a plumber.
But can you plumb?
Legally, no.
Then how can you be a plumber?
I'm a plumber.
I don't think you know the definition of plumber.
Maybe I define plumber differently than you define plumber.
Well, maybe I define differently than you define.
I don't need to plumb to be a plumber, Gigi. I identify as a plumber.
But you can identify with whatever you want, but at the end of the day, Ronnie, it's all in the plumbing.
No, it's in the wiring.
The wiring?
I may be plumb like an electrician, but I am wired like a plumber.
Okay, let me ask you this. Do you lay the pipe or you fuse the box?
Well, right now I fuse the box, but soon I'm gonna lay the pipe. What about you?
Oh, Ronnie, I do it all. I jack off all the trades. Hey, I'm Guido Gagootz, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootz. With me, I got my brother-in-law, John Castellotieri, and we're going to show you how to use iCloud. John, what's so funny?
What? Oh, nothing.
Doesn't sound like nothing. It sounds like something.
No, it's nothing. It's just a text.
Text? What text? What about me?
No, not about you. It's not funny outside of the context of the conversation.
How many conversations are you currently engaged in?
I'm currently engaged in multiple conversations. Why are you making such a big deal about it? You're not involved.
You're not involved. You just laughed out loud.
I can't laugh out loud?
Not if you don't want me to be involved. I'm right here. I mean, can't you laugh under your breath and keep me out of it?
I literally wrote LOL. Had I not laughed out loud, I would have been being disingenuous.
Disingenuous? Since when do you care about being disingenuous?
I always care about being disingenuous.
All right, then what about last week when you texted BRB?
So what?
You never came back.
I did come back. I'm here.
Yeah, you're here, but you're not here because you're there.
Why can't I be here and there?
Because then you're nowhere.
It's all relative.
Relative? John, you're my brother-in-law. You'll never be blood. Get your head out of the iCloud, you dumb fuck. Hey, I'm Guido Gagootz, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootz. I'm here with my good friend, the Indian car salesman, Jazz Parmar, and we're going to teach you how to buy a car.
Thank you, Guido. Now, this is important because you don't want to buy a lemon.
Not unless you're making broccoli rabe. It really offsets the bitterness.
Yeah, so buying a car requires negotiation, which basically means an arrangement.
Wait, you're open to that?
To what?
Arrangements?
Yeah, sure.
Well, because you know my daughter's a woman, so
Yeah,
your son's a man.
correct.
Maybe we could, arrange something.
You mean like an arranged marriage?
Sure, I mean, that's your people's specialty, right?
Guido, my son is 6.
Yeah.
Your daughter's 30.
Exactly, and she ain't getting any younger. But guess what? Your son's getting older, so...
I thought we were here to learn how to buy a car.
Yeah, basically the same principles. I mean, your son's got good stability. My daughter's got excellent balance. She corners well.
Are you trying to sell me your daughter?
No. I'm trying to buy your son.
Guido, an arranged marriage is an antiquated tradition. You can't just make your kids fall in love.
Yeah, but true love is an acquired taste, Jazz. It starts off bitter. Next thing you know, you're frying it up with a little garlic, a little lemon.
What?
Well, you tell me you don't like broccoli rabe?
Oh, I love broccoli rabe.
Okay, great. Let's get lunch. I'll make the arrangements. Hey, I'm Guido Gagootz, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootz. Today I'm going to show you how to give advice from my favorite dick doctor, Renata Strada.
Dick doctor?
Yeah, Renata is very popular on the app called Dick Doc.
Dick doc. What the hell is Dick doc?
What? It's an app that helps you find a doctor for your dick.
The app is called TikTok, not Dick doc.
Wait, so you're not a dick doctor?
I'm a TikToker.
So you have no urological training?
No.
But I sent you all those dick pics.
You did.
You gave me all that medical advice.
I was trying to be helpful.
Why didn't you stop me?
Honestly, it was just really good content.
Wait, good content. What are you posting my dick pics to your TikTok?
Guido, I provide sex-positive health tips. That's my brand.
So you take my dick and you post it as your own?
Your dick, once it's on TikTok, it's everyone's dick. Look, I'm giving you exposure.
Yeah, by indecently exposing me. I'm calling my lawyer.
Did you use the cornstarch?
I did.
How's the heat rash?
Completely gone. Thank you so much.
Let me know if you need anything, okay?
Thank you very much. You're a sweetheart. Yeah. Hey, Barry, we're going to sue the shit out of this lady. Hey, I'm Guido Gagootz, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootz. Today I'm by myself because my guest is getting a real estate license. So I'm going to show you how to cross the street. Step 1, look both ways. Step 2... Oh! Oh! What? You just hit me.
What do you mean I hit you?
Philly?
Gigi?
Holy shit, Philly Friscoletti. How the fuck are you?
I'm good.
Yeah.
What are you doing here?
Nah, I'm just doing my YouTube show, purely for tax purposes. Don't worry about it. How's your mother?
She's dead. She got hit by a car.
Jesus Christ.
And what are you gonna do? You know, I always tell people, you should never jaywalk. You should always use the properly designated crosswalks.
Yeah, but if there's no cars coming, I think you're all right.
Even then, Gigi, you never know. Look what happened to Dolores.
No, maybe your mother wasn't looking. Step 1, look both ways.
You trying to tell me my mother wasn't looking both ways, Gigi?
How the fuck do I know? I wasn't there.
She looked both ways.
Yeah, maybe she looked one way, maybe she looked the other way, but I highly doubt she looked both ways.
Okay, you're crossing the line, Gagootz.
Yeah, and I should look both ways before I crossed that line, unlike your dead mother.
You son of a bitch.
Billy, wait! Jesus, that sucks.